correct. It's the time, finally, after 2 years, as I gonna travel abroad. Sayang, you gonna miss me?
Yeah. Have a safe trip. Enjoy your trip to somewhere that you really want to go.
But this is little bit surprise for you guys, and I will see you very soon again.
Yeah.
Don't cry, okay?
No. All right. Have a nice trip.
No. Hello world, how you doing guys? Imagine today is very exciting day because it's traveling vlog, and yes, first time since last 2 years, over 2 years, I'm traveling overseas, guys. So today you can expect the vlog from the Nurare international departures. However, seems like it's very quiet, and I'm a little bit even afraid if its airport is open, because seems like it's so quiet, but some people already coming for departures, so I will see you deep inside the terminal. International departure seems actually like it is some flights around 10, and well, yeah, some people coming actually already right now, but seems very quiet. Okay, I'm gonna get inside and let's see how does it look like. Also no lights and no treadmill, I mean this thingy what, so people have to push their bags, and it seems very dark, like no lights on. Arrival zone in airport at morning, 8 o'clock at morning, doesn't look busy at all. I mean, seems actually looks as no flights at all at morning. Have a safe flight, some nice decoration, but looks like the airport is empty. I mean, there is nothing here. I heard as inside after your immigration is also anything, zero, but this is looks so scary. I mean, I never saw airport like this in my life before, at least here in Nurare, in Bali. And check this out, this is the zone when there's arrival, dark, and nothing is around actually, zero. Also there are a few flights only, Singapore, Perth, I don't know where is it, Singapore, Istanbul and Sydney, and Doha, that's it. Alright, success, I'm just after the immigration, and seems like duty free is open, but it's not much is happening. I will show you around little bit. Alright guys, so duty free is open for everyone who would like to have some little shopping on the way, or if you would like to buy arak with the nice ogogo. Right, I almost forgot ogogo. Some cigarettes with the prices of Japanese currency. There's literally 9 flights today. Well, I count them, and this is the airport situation. There are supposed to be some fancy shops. I remember Mont Blanc was here. I'm a big fan of Mont Blanc. Well, seems like everything is gone. Alright guys, so somebody told me as airport is quiet, but I wasn't expecting as it's that quiet. I mean, I'm gonna find out if it's any cafe, because I need to have a cappuccino at morning before I fly, but alright guys, so here's supposed to be like a restaurant or something, lounges, like a travel lounges up there, but look, it's worse than the Poppies Lane 1 in Kuta or Legian or something like that. So you come from duty free, from there's only one lady, everything is closed, even the Hardee's here, the delivery shop, popular, famous in Bali, the restaurant, like this, they have a new church still in the papers, but after that doesn't look anything. Well, I will show you today as much as possible from the airport, because this is like a lifetime experience. Even when I fly in March 2020 last time, there was everything seems operating as usual, but right now it's just I wasn't expecting Nurare airport quite as that. Alright guys, this is it. My brain is like a check this out. This is main hall going to the old gates, and I'm gonna do slowly 360 degree. Well, I think you can see there's nothing, zero. I'm gonna change the camera, show you a little bit around. So you walk here through the terminal in Nurare International Airport, and just all gates are simply closed and empty. Here's supposed to be somewhere so many cafes. I mean, there was the Hard Rock somewhere. I usually, when I fly, I have a, you know, like a coffee or something, but seems like not today, not anymore. So departures are actually open till the gate 4. There is even the buggy, he not drive anymore, showing airport to some people, some guests I'm gonna show you. I mean, yeah, Okay guys, and this is the airport situation outside. Doesn't look much better than inside. I don't see single plane on the departure. Maybe on the arrival some domestic, or maybe somebody's flying. I cannot see even my own plane. So alright, so at least here is no shortage of the space to sitting, and even the fancy chairs like this are here. Well, quickly, I'm gonna grab the coffee at the front. There's only one little donut shop open. Quickly, I'm gonna tell you, as traveling internationally in general, even it's so quiet in the terminals, is much smoother and much easier than I flew last time to Jakarta in 2021. That was so hard, but now it's so easy. Even if you fly internationally, if you have all documents, which is only where I fly, I just need the pre-departure test and the VAX certificate and return ticket, and that's it. So it was easy, very easy, and some declaration, of course. So that's very easy, and they didn't check actually, except the guy who is giving the ticket. He just asked for the all documents, but security or anyone didn't ask for anything, even for the certificate. So the only place what you will have here to grab something is donut shop like this one, gate 1, and the coffee. Literally, that's it. If you are flying outside of Bali, only thing what you can get yourself is little donut, like very small donut, coffee and iced tea, and that's it. And for $7 for 100k is only this one, and this is the only option. Okay, I'm gonna finish the little breakfast. I have to edit video, and I will see you in the plane. I hope so you're gonna arrive, because it's empty outside, but also not many people, so you don't need to worry about social distancing, that's for sure, guys. Actually, I'm so sorry, there is one plane, some private jet, so here we go. The big plane arrived. That's my plane for today. This Boeing 787 Dreamliner, so quite many people supposed to be on board. Let's see. Looks good. And it's boarding time. I love boardings, guys. So excited to fly somewhere today, guys. Let's see. What is that? Business class, unfortunately not on today's occasion. But anyway, I'm still happy as I'm traveling somewhere, and anyway, there are some people traveling around, so should be fine. Ready for flight, ready for flight. Oh, somebody making Instagram or TikTok. That's the big plane. Been a while when I was on the big planes like this. Let's see if it's busy or not. Yo, sorry. Here we go. Little walkway. I'm sitting at the back, always at the back, guys. Alright, I'm on board, guys. It's quite busy actually. This is Boeing 7879 Dreamliner, so it's about 300 people capacity, and seems like it's quite busy. I mean, 40% maybe. So there are some people sitting, everybody almost vlogging or doing something. I'm not the only one. Seems like there are also vloggers there. Everyone, there are vloggers and people boarding. Also, there are few planes arrive, but they are local domestic flights. There are, maybe they just park here. On time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need our mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger. Alright guys, I'm leaving Bali for a while. I made a few shots for you from the sky. How does it look like? It's actually pretty nice weather, beautiful shots. I hope so you enjoy. And well, I hope so I will see a lot of my viewers tomorrow. As always, nothing has changed. 4 p.m. Bali time, just different location. I hope so I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow, guys.